How's it going, guys? This is TechWork Tactical, back with something a little different. Here is something I have actually had for a little bit, and I've been waiting to start doing a review of it because there's other parts that are coming in the pipeline. This is going to be an affordable chest rig starting point. This is the military TAPS system, which I do not know the acronym for, but I'm sure someone out there does. What caught my eye was that this can carry 6 mags, plus these bonuses, which look like they could probably do 308 mags on either side in one chest rig. And it's military grade. This was military. It does have an NSN number on it. It's authentic. It can be dyed. People do that all the time. And this I found for $17. $17 for a piece of military shooting equipment. That is unbelievable. I couldn't help myself. I had to get one. I don't have a lot of quality pieces especially that are new, that are for more active things, for actually going out, actually having a little bit of fun and being useful. So I wanted to finally give myself something that wasn't over the top. It's certainly not going to be Gucci, but it's also not going to be bottom of the barrel airsoft quality stuff. However, if you're in airsoft, this would be a great starting point for you, especially if you're a little handy or you have a partner that's handy. If you can figure out a way to do a mounting system for this, maybe even if you want to do the same sort of mounting system that I plan on doing, which will be in the future videos, go for it. This would be a great entry point for something like that. It's authentic military surplus. It's got pieces in the back. Something I will bring up right now. It fits Stanag mags perfectly. It struggles with AK mags, as you can see. It pops out the top. These are actually so old now that they still use hook and loop to secure the mags instead of retention, which will be addressed in a future video. I'm not exactly sure which way I'm going with it. Either I will replace them completely, or I'll finagle a way to have them stuck inside to where it does look like a more modern one, where it's just sticking out the top and it's high. It would be a high relief kit. It's exactly almost 26 inches long. I'd say without the mags in there, if it was able to lay completely flat, I'd say it's probably about 26 inches across. So if you're a bigger boy like me, it's probably going to work out better for you. Saying that, these are adjustable. They are stitched permanently about there on both sides. I just tucked this in so it would look nice, but they are adjustable. You can make them bigger or smaller to whatever your custom fit is. The front of it is still compatible with MOL, so you can use it as much as you want for that. Although something that I did see a few different people do reviews of these and warn us about, if you put too much, it has a tendency to want to flop off of your chest. However, I think the way I'm approaching this when it comes to securing it on the back portion, because these traditionally use an X pattern, the one I'm using is going to be an H pattern, which is supposedly a lot more comfortable, and it doesn't chafe your neck because it has to come into that X pattern to secure it. So I think I might have finagled a way around that. These are also what the clips are going to be for. I am hoping I can put them on here to replace these tan ones, because I do plan on very possibly dyeing this black so I can get cool Instagram points, so I can have me some black multicam. The pouches they're formed a different way. They have a pull tab on them and they're Velcro, but they secure to the back, which is what confuses me, because logically you'd want to secure it to the front, that way you can rip it straight up, although you could do it both ways. I just am probably more familiar with some of the newer stuff that they figured out, hey, that's probably a good idea, and they moved on to that. So if you're looking to run AK mags in this, you're going to have a little bit of a problem. The lip does feed inside of it. That isn't really a problem. What is more of a problem is just the sheer length of them. That's what is causing issues. So that is something to keep in mind if you're planning on using this for like an AK chest rig. Now, if you take a look on the back, it has different compartments here, which also use hook and loop just for some simple storage. They are open top. However, this one has a zipper, and it is a beefy zipper. Like, I do not have small fingers, and that basically encompasses the whole thing on them. So you can probably actually, if you can find them, I know that a couple of different companies do make armor plates that are about this size. I just don't know if I would trust it to that. If you really want to figure out a way that maybe you can secure it better, more power to you. I'm not sure I'm gonna go that hard in the paint. Also, just because it's such a small square, there's just better things on the market for about the same price that I can't really justify that to myself. So this is going to be the first video in a playlist of forming your first, real affordable chest rig. And I think that's actually going to be really popular. And by the way, thank you so much to the newcomers who have arrived. A few of you have probably come over from Tundra Tactical. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. I started out as a fan, just like so many people. You're psyching yourself out if you think you can't do it. It's easy. I'm doing this on a bed with an iPhone. Anyone can do it. If you really think you have something important to say, a better idea, you got to Nike that thing. Just do it. Just do it. Anyone has a capability of recording themselves now, which, for better or worse, is where we are. So if you're thinking that you want to do something like this, go for it. Show me your idea. What did you do? Did you use this exactly one strip of mole on the top for something extremely important? Why? Why would you use that? Plus, it gets stuck to it. Is it just to hold it open? I don't know. But we're going to find out together, guys. And girls, if this is your thing, hey, congratulations. Welcome to the community. We love having you here. We're definitely not going to complain. So this is definitely something I'm looking forward to, and an idea that I've had for a while. Thankfully, I can now do it and share it with the community. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time.